लोकल में आए, लोकल 10 साल आप लोकल में थे। लोकल मतलब मुंबईया लैंग्वेज में हम लोकल बोलते हैं, ट्रेन्स को,
suburban train, local
suburban trains। एंड आपका जो एक्सपीरियंस है 10 साल का राजधानी में, we would like to know that also, even the viewers would like to know who is into railways।
I spent almost more than a decade in local train, and now almost a decade on Duronto, Rajdhani and Shatabdi.
Oh,
So it's been more than 2 decades, 2.5 decades more than. Local train, it was since I was coming after the college. Local, I had the privilege of either to work at night or either to work during the day. So it was that time I had the thing in my mind like, I need to make some money. So I was not working overtime in the railways. So I was working in the railways the night, and when you work for night, you get some extra income. Because nights you get railways drivers and guards get extra part of money. So I was clocking that night, full night, and then during the daytime I was taking up some tuitions here.
oh,
That's how I started, because that thing was not going from my mind, boys and girls were always there, some of the other things. And coming railway, these local trains, by this 10 years of local trains, I was being the guard of the train. You are directly in contact with thousands of people every day. So being I used to love, I was very inquisitive about to know body language, people, how do they speak,
correct.
how do they behave. That experience of Delhi, when I was flying Delhi to Bombay, that experience, I just want to put up that one thing, that I saw the real rich people flying day in and day out.
Correct.
Once I saw Kumaramangalam Birla's son, so the way they walk, the way they talk, the way they communicate, that 8 months inside the Delhi airport gave me a total different, because I came from middle class background.
True.
But that gave me how do these rich people make money? How do they interact? That helped me a lot. And when I came back on the local, it was like middle class, all the people were struggling, working hard.
Correct.
So I was picking up, I was literally absorbing. How do a person get frustrated? How do a person a lady get depressed? Train late हो जाती तो they बोलते hey hero, hey कबाला सन,
अच्छा,
गर्लफ्रेंड से नाराज है क्या?
मोटर में वो,
या मतलब गाड़ी रुक गया सिग्नल पे, उसके आगे किसी ने सुसाइड कर लिया, तो you have to stop it.
करेक्ट,
इन सेंट्रल रेलवे में रूल ऐसा है, लोकल में अगर कोई आदमी कट गया, लड़की ने सुसाइड किया, स्पेशली इन 10th and 12th, maximum suicide takes place. That's every year.
that's true।
Other to the one those who cross the tracks. So it was इतने लोग मरते थे, तो ये जो ट्रेन के अंदर में जो बीच में जो सुसाइड करने आते थे, तो सेंट्रल रेलवे का रूल ये था कि आपको बॉडी क्लियर करना पड़ेगा, एंड यू कैन नॉट लीव इट until and unless you clear the body.
Okay.
And then next, तो people will just look, अरे यार मर गई, लड़का मर गया, लड़की मर गई, but they won't get out of the local train.
Correct.
And our rule is, if you leave the body like that, the following train which will come will smash it.
Smash it।
So we have to get that thing cleared, and I being the in charge of the train,
My God।
I have to tell people to get down and give me a hand, क्योंकि जब गाड़ी ब्रेक लगाते
You
हैं,
have to do it।
you have to do it.
Oh my God। That's
When you stop a train, when a girl or boy is committing suicide, a person is committing suicide, the train won't stop there and there itself. It will stop, at least 2 to 4 pole आगे. So you have to go back, see that the body is inside the track or outside. If it is outside, okay, well. If it is inside, you have to get it cleared.
my God।
So sometimes you have to go back, and sometimes it's night 1 o'clock, sometimes it's day 2 o'clock, and full people are there, but nobody is coming out. So you have to tell कि तेरा भाई हो सकता है, तेरी बहन हो सकती है, just come down, give me a hand.
Come and
Give me a hand. And we, and then we intimate to the next station by the walkie-talkie that so and so body is at this place.
Correct.
Okay. If it is alive, the body, if the person has not died, that's what I wanted to tell. Our rule is, if the boy and girl is still alive, हाथ कट गया उसका, पैर कट गया, but she is still alive.
Okay.
तो उसको हमको गाड़ी पे लेके जाना है. We cannot leave it and go.
Oh।
So to pull up a girl, to pull up a woman, and the train is ahead, you cannot bring, in locals we have a rule, you cannot bring back the local behind.
Okay।
In no condition you can pull back.
Oh, is it?
No condition. So you have to pick up this lady or a girl and put it on the train and hand it over to the next station so that she reaches the hospital faster, so that blood whatever she had lost.
Correct.
But if you leave the body and the next train picks up, by the time it will be 1 hour 40 minutes, they're gone. So in my case, I'd almost picked up I think 20 in my lifetime, and that was a interaction part with the people. How do people think? How do people stay back? Which people will come ahead to help you? So there is a little, I learned a lot from locals. Huge, it was a wealth of understanding how people behave. When a train is held up at the signal, they think that this train is held up for a signal. They don't know 3 stations away, तीनों ट्रेन के आगे एक आदमी ने बफलो ने क्रॉस किया और उसके चक्कर में पूरा ट्रेन टूट गया. तो वो तो देख रहे कि आगे का गाड़ी परफेक्ट है, पीछे का गाड़ी परफेक्ट है, तो ये हमारी गाड़ी को क्यों रोक के बैठा है. सो गुस्सा पूरा मोटरमैन पे या पीछे गार्ड पे निकालते हैं. Then they look at you, and if you are a little bit filmy, so then they will tell all the nasty words. धक्का दूं क्या गाड़ी को, Kamal Hassan, Mithun, anything, Salman, something like that. So you understand, if you go to their level, you get crank up your mind. So you listen to them, you respond, but you don't react. That's how I learned not reacting to people, whatever people say. Just responding. When people say to me, boys and girls say to me, एक बार मैं गाड़ी खड़ा था राजधानी में, तो गाड़ी खड़ा हुआ था और वो ट्रैक के बाजू में बियर पी रहे थे वो लोग, गोवा साइड में. तो गाड़ी बहुत देर तक के लिए रुका, मेरे से बोलते हैं 5-6 लड़के कि बॉस धक्का दूं क्या तेरी गाड़ी को. तो मैंने बोला जल्दी आओ, लेकिन पहले तेरा पैंट ऊपर करके आ जाए, क्योंकि उसका पूरा आधा अंडरवेयर जॉकी बॉस तो उसका खुद का पैंट वो संभाल नहीं पा रहा, and he wants to give राजधानी धक्का, but you have to take it in that so local help me to understand people, how do they react. And I was very lucky. I was working very hard, Sudesh, one thing is there. So I'm lucky to share that I got the opportunity to inaugurate the most costliest train in India, Deccan Odyssey. I got to inaugurate Thana Vashi, the new section, which you are seeing, Thana to Vashi, with Chief Minister of Maharashtra, Vilas Rao Deshmukh, who passed away. I got to inaugurate the first train, I got to work on the first train of Tejas, the fastest train in India, from Mumbai to Goa. I got to inaugurate 75th Deccan Queen's birthday with the President of India, Pratibha Patil.
Wow.
So yeah, I did a lot of hard work behind it.
Of course.
And for the last 10 years now, I've been working, and I feel like my dream is fulfilled to work on the Rajdhani. It's a great pleasure to be on the Rajdhani Duronto. I just love it.